My name is Sam, and I love to travel. My passion for traveling first started when I went abroad to Barcelona, Spain, and it was my junior year of college. I lived with the host family. Literally every single weekend, I was traveling somewhere new. I even made it one weekend to Africa and stayed in Morocco and like rode camels and just did like amazing things when I was abroad. For me, when I travel and do those things, it literally feels like Disneyland. Like, I am just so passionate, like, so passionate about traveling. It is insane. I literally have the travel bug. I just love experiencing a new culture and seeing how different people live and just seeing how they interact with each other. Just their day-to-day typical things that like Americans don't do, but it's normalized for them. After I went to Barcelona, Spain, I came home for like less than a week for Christmas, and then I was back out to the Middle East and I studied abroad once again in Israel. And I stayed in Jerusalem and like had a class there for like a month, and I loved it so much. And I finished my year off just staying in Chicago. And then after shortly graduating, I went to Los Angeles, California, just to like experience LA. It was a very spontaneous move. I knew what my end goal was, and LA was just like a temporary place for me to be as I awaited my results. So, my great news that I have to share, drum roll please. I got accepted into a program in South Korea to teach English to students who are Korean, and I'll be doing that for a year. I first put the idea into existence in March. I knew that I wanted to travel after I graduated. And, only having like 3 months left of college, I was looking into different things I could do to be abroad again, but also gaining money so that I could pay off my student loans. I started a program in May where I took a course that taught me like how to be a teacher abroad, got licensed to teach internationally anywhere. Then shortly after, I applied to Epik. Epik was a very long journey. It started from August. January was literally the month where I had to get all of my documents together. I also kind of procrastinated on one of the documents, which gave me like, I call the Korea scare, and like really woke me up and made me realize, hey, you're loving LA too much and you're getting way too comfortable, and your like whole goal is Korea. So we need to take a step back. And I'm so glad that I did that to refocus myself on my goal, but also I'm so glad that Epik still accepted me. I'm going in through the late intake in March. And yeah, I'll be flying out very soon. Like literally, I'll be spending my 23rd birthday in Korea. I know that a lot of people are rooting for me, and I am also rooting for myself because I'm really excited to do this and, take advantage of traveling when I can on the weekends to different countries in Asia. Like, I would love to do that so much. And I know that there's going to be a lot of struggle. I mean, it's a given. I don't know Korean. I'm going to a new country, and I've been doing like a lot of research recently about like their norms and like the things I need to know when I get there. I'm already looking into like vegan foods that I can eat. I'm just really excited for what's next in my life. I'm enjoying my gap year before I get into what I really want to do. And I know I eventually want to go back and get my master's. And I see that happening after I end Korea. So I will keep you updated when I'm abroad. And all the amazing things that I'm doing. Of course, I'm going to continue posting on my YouTube channel. Here we go, Korea.